Hello, it's Mooji with Reefer Box Sales. Here in Bakersfield, California, I have a 24-foot box. It is, 26-foot box, 103 high, 102 wide. It's a Carrier Supra 860 and it has electric standby. Body is perfect on the outside. This one is a 2018. It's a Supra 860, has a side door. Body doesn't have any damage on the outside. And here it is on the inside. Doesn't have a lift gate here, but we do have lift gates. We have some aluminum lift gates over there I can show you. So let's look at it on the inside. So there is some damage here on the wall, on the bottom, as you can see. Some over here as well. And over there on the bottom, right here. The unit is working. And again over here on the bottom. And I'll get the measurements for the door opening. So we can we do installation here. This is a Soto Welding, our partner welding shop here in Bakersfield. They have forklifts, they have all the equipment they need to install it. And I'm gonna ask our welder here, friend Jose. Hi Jose. So I just recorded a video of that reefer box. How much do you think it would cost roughly to install it?
To install it, about $1,800.
$1,800 to install it with the electrical, everything
running.
Perfect. Anything else we need to know? So we have lift gates. So if you would like to install a lift gate, it would be how much to install it?
To install lift gate is roughly around $1,300.
$1,300, 1,300. All right, thank you so much, Jose. All right, he's working on other projects here. So here it is. If you just want the unit, we can sell the unit on its own. Just the unit, $3,500. It's working. We can guarantee that. If you just want the box, $3,500, and things are negotiable. If you're serious, let us know. Thank you.